Hi, this is Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, with my weekend trade idea. Reminder, this is just for educational purposes. We are not an advisory service or an investment service. Consult your professional. We're just here to kind of show you how maybe a professional might think about a trade. So something that popped up on my board was Lululemon. And you know, I've soured on Lululemon ever since my wife stopped liking a lot of their clothing. She still likes the yoga pants, but that's about it. I noticed that the volatility had gotten extremely low, basically a one-year low. And a one-year low is tantamount to an all-time low because volatility has fallen exceedingly in this stock. At one point it had gotten really ugly. Has since moved back up into the 60s range. But if we tighten things up, you'll see that its pattern is to move higher than dip, move higher than dip. I think we just got a nice move higher. Now we're onto the dip. I think Lulu is probably going to drop. And with the implied volatility so low, I can get the 65 puts on the July 24th strike for about $1.50, $1.50. I paid $1.53, and I think that's going to be a really nice winner. Generally speaking, so the trade I would look at is to essentially buy Lulu, Lulu July 24th, 65 puts. All right, pay somewhere around $1.50. See, that's $1.49 there. Filled. All right, there you have it. And my goal is to sell these for at least $2. Alternatively, if I look at, if I was going to put this in our strategy letter, I would buy these, and then I would go to the June 26s. So the June's expiring next Friday, and I would probably try and sell these 65 puts and turn it into a slightly bearish calendar spread. That would be how I would set up the entirety of the trade. Net, I would own the 65 spread for, call it $1.10, which I think is cheap to get a whole month. So that is the trade I would set up. We will be having our next webinar is going to be free webinar is going to be July 7th. So look out for that one, and we're looking forward to seeing you. If you have questions about our mentoring or our services, feel free to call me, 888-TRADE-01, or email me, mark@optionpit.com. Have a good day.